Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel EK Kitchen. Today we are going to make Pav Bhaji. In my previous video I have made pav. You can check it out from the link given in the I button. First of all we will make Pav Bhaji Masala, your own homemade Pav Bhaji Masala. You can find it in stores, spice stores, ready-made, but I am going to tell you how to make it. For Pav Bhaji Masala, first of all we will take 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seed, and 10 to 12 these red chilies. Now we will roast these things for 2 to 3 minutes together, then we will add the remaining ingredients. Viewers, first we will roast these 3 things together for 2 minutes. Viewers, now we will add bay leaves, 2 to 3 pieces, 1 large stick of cinnamon, 3 black cardamom, 10 to 12 cloves, 1.5 tablespoon of anise seeds or saunf. After 1 minute, we will cook it out and grind them along with the other ingredients. Viewers, in these roasted spices, I will add some more spices and then I'll grind everything together and my Pav Bhaji Masala will be ready. The other spices are 1.5 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of regular salt, and this is khatai powder 1 teaspoon. We will mix all these spices with the roasted spices and grind together and make our Pav Bhaji Masala. Viewers, for Pav Bhaji, we will take 4 to 5 boiled potatoes. We will mash it. I have half of the big cauliflower. I have boiled it with little turmeric. I have some peas, 1 large size onion chopped, 1 capsicum chopped, some coriander leaves chopped. I have 1 lemon juice. I have boiled and grate 1 small beetroot. We have Pav Bhaji Masala. Here I took half cup of garlic. I have pasted it with water. I took 5 medium size of tomatoes and blended along with 3 small green chilies. This is Kashmiri red chilies paste. We will use 4 tablespoons of it in the Pav Bhaji. The spices which we are going to use: 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kasuri Methi, half teaspoon of turmeric, and salt according to your taste. Let's see how we will make it. Viewers, I have added 4 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of butter in my pan. Now I will add onions to it.
One eternity later.
After my onions get little translucent, I am adding my chopped capsicums to it. Viewers, now we will add our vegetables. We will also add our tomato and green chili paste. Now I am going to add my garlic paste, 4 tablespoons. And 4 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili paste. I will now add 2 teaspoons of prepared Pav Bhaji Masala, along with the other spices. Now I will add to it hot boiling water, cover it for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I will show you the further procedure.
Ten minutes later.
Viewers, after 10 to 15 minutes of covered cooking, I will mash my Pav Bhaji with the masher, potato masher. Viewers, now you can see I have blended for good 10 to 15 minutes. My gravy is little thick now. I will add some more hot water, check the seasoning, add the lemon juice, and my Pav Bhaji is ready. It has to be paste-like consistency. I will add the lemon, some melted butter, and my Pav Bhaji will be ready. Viewers, my Pav Bhaji is ready to serve now. I have fried my pav in butter and very little of bhaji masala. Do try it at your homes. Give me your feedback. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.